Can you call somebody, Kate, to get rid of the fog?
You know what? Yeah, we just need a giant fan to just blow it all out to sea. But unfortunately, it's hanging on this morning. It doesn't really want to go anywhere. It's not really clinging to the ground in the city, at least. We are seeing the fog out the windows, but you can see the bottoms of the buildings. And at street level, not seeing at least the dense fog where you can't see the car in front of you. We have had some spots reporting visibilities that low this morning, but this is mainly elevated fog in the city. Does not look great this morning, though, and we have had some scattered showers rolling through. I do think the shower threat is coming to an end. As far as rain, we're probably going to keep things dry for the rest of today. The problem is we've got another round of showers and storms to get through tomorrow before we finally get a stretch of some quieter days, drier days. Also bringing the heat back for Wednesday and Thursday. Here's a live look at Bethlehem, and you can see how green everything is. We've had plenty of rain in the past month or so. As we reported to you last week, we are now completely out of a drought in our entire region. This after the driest autumn on record in Philadelphia history. We talked all about the dry weather in the autumn months, and now we have completely erased that. Everything is green, everything is blooming. We don't need more rain, but unfortunately we are going to get some tomorrow, and that could slow down your drive once again. So here's a look at right now in Philadelphia. We're looking toward Philadelphia, at least. The city skyline in the background. Can't really see it there over the Ben Franklin Bridge. We're still seeing the low clouds, the fog, the mist, and the drizzle. 63 degrees right now in the city. Visibility at the airport, though, has returned to a full 10 miles, so that's good news. We don't have those lower visibilities anymore, just some elevated fog and those low cloud ceilings, making for a gray and gloomy start to the day. Still a stray shower this morning, but I think the afternoon is dry. The question is, do we get enough sun to really warm up, or do we get enough sun to get outside and enjoy the afternoon? And we'll have to see what happens as we get into the afternoon, because these showers are moving on out. We've got drier air off to the west that's going to try to wedge in briefly. You can see still a lot of cloud cover around the city, still a couple of little light sprinkles, still some drizzle. We got to break out of the low clouds first, and then if we can get into this wedge of dry air out ahead of our next advancing cold front, we will be able to warm up and brighten up this afternoon. But I think the best chance to get rid of the clouds completely will be from the city on south and west. And then that same cold front, that's what comes through for us tomorrow morning. So here's the timing on this. You can see showers are moving on out. The rest of the morning, just kind of cloudy. And notice how the clouds start to erode as the day goes on. So by 2:30, we may be seeing sun in Delaware, Chester County, maybe Delaware County. Philadelphia, South Jersey, you could see some sunshine before the sun sets, which is right around 8:30 in the evening, 8:28 sunset time tonight. And then we've got that next round of storms tomorrow morning. These will be weakening a bit from overnight, but you can see scattered thunderstorms around 7 a.m., some with localized downpours, gusty winds. That moves offshore, and then we get into that stretch of dry and warmer days as we head back to the upper 80s and even low 90s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.